Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to enable HVCI and Valorant for Windows 11. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to enable HVCI, also known as memory integrity for Valorant on Windows 11. Start by pressing the Windows key and X together, then select Settings. From there, navigate to Privacy and Security, open Windows Security, and choose Device Security. Click on Core Isolation Details and switch Memory Integrity to On. Then restart your computer to apply the changes. If the option is missing or won't stay enabled, virtualization may be turned off. To check, open System Information by searching for this and confirm that virtualization is enabled and Secure Boot is active. If virtualization is disabled, restart your PC, enter the BIOS, and enable virtualization technology. Refer to your system or motherboard manufacturer's instruction if needed. Then reboot and enjoy smoother Valorant experience. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.